No. No.
No! No! No!
Ready? Let's make this race unforgettable.
Darling, why are you looking so tense? You have such an important race today.
What if this is the last time I ever race?
Mom, don't worry. You've got this. Let's go.
Let's win the movie trailer race with Kling AI. Watch the full tutorial.
First, we are into Kling AI. If you want the early access, please go to the link in the description and pinned comment. Now, this is the dashboard. Now, Kling 3.0 is available in normal version as well as in Omni version. First, you will have to go to video generation. The first point is here you can get multiple shots and you can get up till 15 seconds long video. Okay, as you can see, you have a scroller. So first let us try with some FPV type of visuals, right? So I have a couple of prompts. If you want this prompt document, please type prompt in the comment section so that I can send it across. But let me just try out this prompt. This is a random prompt. I am not going to give any reference for this. Let Kling 3.0 analyze the prompt as it is and let us see how the ultimate result comes out to be. You may or may not keep this multi shots angle on. You have shot 1, shot 2, shot 3, these type of thing. So for the first experiment, I would not keep any shot other than one shot, that is this prompt, whatever it says, and then I will keep it off, okay, for the time being. And then I will go to this small down and I will keep it 15 seconds only. Let us see, or maybe 10 seconds. I can keep it up till 10 seconds. Let us see how this FPV shot is coming out to be. I am going to go for 16:9 and 1 output. With that, I will be getting this 120 credits, and here the native audio will give you a suitable audio as well. So let's try with this. So as you can see, this is showing task submitted. It will take a couple of minutes time. Just wait for a while. Okay, now as you can see, I have created this video and FPV shot. Remember one thing, when you are making FPV shot, you should never keep multi-shot toggle on. Why? Because in FPV shot, it is always mentioned that this is a continuous shot. Okay, 10 seconds continuous shot. Okay, now as you can see, I have started to make a film. Okay, a short trailer of 2 to 2.5 minutes. So for that, the main characters has to be crafted. That I have used Nano Banana from Higgsfield. If you want the link of the Higgsfield, I'll be leaving that in pinned comment as well as in the description. And here I have used Nano Banana. So select Nano Banana Pro. Okay, go to image, go to Nano Banana Pro, and here you will have to give all the prompts. Now if you want to have a detailed idea about how have I crafted these prompts as per the story, then I would suggest you to go to my previous video where I have actually in detail deep dived into different camera angles and all, which is not the subject today. So after watching this video, you can go ahead and watch. But yes, this is my story of Skybound Guardians. So I want to use this story's framework. So I have taken the first Skyrider, this first 25 seconds, and according to that I have crafted my characters first. Okay, I will be using Kling 3.0. Now Kling 3.0 has image prompts as well, image options also, and video option also. For this I am going to go to normal Kling, and from here I'll be going to video generation, and here I will have to I have multi-shots option. Okay, so custom multi-shots option, here you have 5 different shots which you can add at a go. Okay, so now first things first, I'll be going to my my prompts. As you can see, I have got this detailed prompt here for Kling 3.0. If you want this complete prompt document, please type prompt in the comment section so that I can send this prompt across to you. And here in the first slide, I'll be keeping this. Now from here you can have maximum 5 seconds long. So if you want to have an image, then you can have the image. Like let's suppose this is I will be uploading my image. So let me go to upload. Or you can skip this. You can straight away go to multi-shots option. This is my first shot. My second shot would be this. Okay, so I'll be giving this as second shot. Then I'll go to plus. Here it is 4 seconds it's written, so I'll be giving the next shot. Like this I can add. So in that case I would not like to go for so many shots at a go. Let me just this is 10 seconds, right? So first you will have to mention here how many seconds long. So let me make it 15 seconds first from the slider, so that the overall shots are of 15 seconds. So I'll be taking this as a first shot, and here I will make it say 5 seconds or 3 seconds. Okay, or 5 seconds. Let me take 5 seconds. Then I'll go to second shot. Again I'll be keeping it 5 seconds. So I'll take 3 shots, and then I'll be going for third shot, which will also be of 5 seconds. That's all. No big deal. 3 shots, each of 5 seconds. Cumulatively it will be 15 seconds. I'll have selected 16:9 and hit generate. As you can see, it is taking 180 credits from me. Okay, let's hit generate and let's see how does it turn out to be. Final thing which we are going to do is creating the characters, adding the elements. Okay, first we will have to go to Higgsfield, go to image and select Nano Banana Pro. Okay, Here you will have to give the prompt and the reference image, right? So let me just get the reference image first. I'm going to create a very dark movie. So for that I have a couple of images for the hero. So I'm gonna take one by one. Now I'm gonna paste the prompt as well. 4K resolution should be selected. Now here I would do one thing. I have already given 3 image references. Let it get uploaded. This is a kind of an art film. Okay, so I'm gonna create the characters, and from there I'll be creating one scene with Kling AI directly. Okay, so now my character video images are ready. Now I'll just create the full figured image. Now for full figured image it is better to go for 9:16, so I'll create 9:16 as well. So as you can see, my studio style image is ready. Now I'll download it. Now you will have to create 2 more versions of it. Okay, as you can see, this is also ready. So what I will do is, now I'll just remove these and I will just click on this reference, so it will be coming in reference. Now I will be creating a side view. Okay, a side view of this exact same character. Okay, so I'll be creating that in 9:16, and here I'll be creating backside. Okay, rear side view, and here I'll be saying backside. Now as you can see, I have got all 4 different versions, so I will simply download them. Okay, you're gonna go to this plus button first, take the images. Okay, from here bind the elements to enhance the consistency. So here you will have to create, okay, you will have to create the image. So you will have to go to add image option. Now here you'll have to select the image, confirm. 3 images you can select, so go to here, select the second image. All 3 images are there, so give the name. Here you give the detail of Salmer. As you can see, I have given a small slow push-in cinematic shot, and simply keep you can keep for how long. I want just for 8 seconds long shot. 96 credits will be consumed, so I'll hit generate. So this is how you can actually add an element or character, and automatically the video would be generated. Now as you can see, my video is getting generated here. It will take around 4 minutes time. So this is how you can create the character, create such videos very easily. Let's see how the video turns out to be. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family, so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.